If you are looking to cancel a Shopify Payments account on your store, the first thing you must do is log into your Shopify admin panel. Before you deactivate the service, you need to ensure there are no pending transactions. Navigate to the Finances section and open the Payouts tab. You must wait for all current payouts to be marked as paid and your balance to be zero. If you have a negative balance, you will have to clear that outstanding amount before the system allows you to cancel. Once your account balance is completely cleared, click on the Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner of your admin screen. From the Settings menu, select the Payments option. This will take you to the Payment Providers page where Shopify Payments is listed at the top as your active provider. You will see a button labeled Manage. Click on that button to open the detailed settings for your Shopify Payments account. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the Shopify Payments settings page. Here, you will find the option to deactivate Shopify Payments. Depending on your store's current version, it might read as a straightforward deactivate button or a link that says Cancel Shopify Payments. Click this button. Shopify will likely prompt you with a survey asking why you want to leave, but you can fill this out or simply skip it. Finally, a confirmation dialog will appear to ensure you want to finalize the cancellation. You must confirm your choice to complete the process. After confirming, the system automatically disconnects Shopify Payments and your store reverts to using manual payment methods or any other third-party provider you have enabled. You will receive a final email confirmation, and it is vital that you immediately set up a replacement payment gateway so your customers can continue to check out.